Okay, today I'm going to be doing a quick demo on a Fusion workflow that is for CrowdStrike Falcon. And this is going to be for a quick high efficacy workflow within Falcon. So for the audience that may not have done workflows that is working with Falcon right now, currently CrowdStrike, what you would do is you would go down to Fusion SOAR, open up workflow. And then for this, you would ask Interro AI, you would say, I need an EPP detection workflow where Charlotte AI has identified a true positive with high verdict and quarantined file or files. Now, every SOC is going to be different. Every security operations center is going to be different. So some may not opt in for automating closure, even if it's high verdict, true positive, super validated. They may not opt for it. They may want some form of human in the loop to validate, verify that the alert itself, the detection, is actually a true positive malicious activity. So it also depends. But with this workflow itself, it has proven in several environments with the high efficacy rule that's in the protocol. So that's why we're asking for it. And in general, if you were to ask for something for high efficacy, it would give you high efficacy only. That's the 96% bell curve. And so we continue to go on. I need EPP detection workflow where Charlotte AI has identified a true positive with high. I think I spelled verdict wrong. High verdict. Not that it matters really. I mean, it'll pick up, but to be pedantic, high verdict and quarantine file or files. I want the actions to auto close, have a canned response for closure. And I'm going to just stop there. There might be something that I missed, but let's see what this gives me for the output for the workflow. As you can see, in less than a minute, Interro AI has produced a high efficacy workflow for CrowdStrike Falcon. And we'll walk through this really quick and I'll give the breakdown here. So let me see, where is this? There's some old stuff here. So okay. Scrolling up here. Cool. So right here we have the, and again, I want to point out this took less than a minute. And again, anytime it gives you one of these, the efficacy is going to be super high. So high confidence, high fidelity logic with whatever you're getting. And what I really mean to say by that is that these are real-time scenarios that other organizations are using these exact constructs, for their logic. So when you get it, it's something that's detected with 96% accuracy. The need for enrichment is very limited. Obviously, you always have continuous improvement in whatever you're doing. I won't go down that rabbit hole right now, but I just want to go through this real quick. And let me see if I can just blow the screen up really quick. Let's see. So as you can see here, EPP detection workflow, Charlotte AI, high verdict, true positive, file quarantined, author Interro AI, platform, CrowdStrike Falcon, Charlotte AI, EPP Falcon Fusion SOAR. So if any of you out there are running Falcon Fusion SOAR, you can go in there and go ahead and apply this. What I've noticed with Falcon customers, sometimes they don't have the capacity to automate some of these things. So they might have 3,000, 4,000 alerts that are sitting there, high verdict, true positive, that can just be closed, obviously files contained. Some things may need, human observation, but that's basically predicated upon your own environment. So your own security operations center would make those necessary observations, but this is an automated workflow which closes down high verdict, true positive alerts. So general workstations, etc. Okay, so I'll get back to the point here. So you can see it does the MITRE attack framework. We'll skip all of this, and then we'll get straight to the workflow. So workflow architecture, Charlotte AI, high verdict, you use the EPP trigger. You go from EPP trigger to the automated enrichment phase 1. So it does the hash lookup, threat intel correlation. Phase 2, automated containment, IOC hash block, IOC custom rule hash. What I didn't add in the workflow was the automatic tagging. Just threw me for a loop because I'm doing this on the fly. But I could add that back in and have Interro AI restructure this to auto tag the true positive, that sort of thing. I won't do that now for the instance of this, this demonstration, but it goes through the architecture phases here. So then it does the all checks pass, auto close, escalation. Phase 1, automated enrichment. Upon trigger, the following context is automatically extracted from the Falcon detection event. So it goes through all of these things here within Falcon. So the detection and event fields extracted. Slowly scroll through this. And the following lookups run automatically in parallel, like SHA-56. But again, the verdict's going to be high, so it's Charlotte AI is going to automatically notice that, or the API, whatever it is that you're using. So, your IOC register, whatever it is that you're using. The verdict is automatically going to be high within the workflow trigger structure. And then you go through, here we go, the AI EPP, the Charlotte AI EPP enrichment summary. And it breaks everything down for you. Now, if you're even more basic than this, we could ask it even more simply than this whole breakdown here. Let's see. So for instance, here's the CAN closure response. This is the exact text posted to the detection ITSM ticket and notification. So right here, it would say detection closed, true positive contained by EPP resolved by Interro AI. Obviously, it'd be resolved by you. You would change this name within your CAN respond workflow. Unless you were using Interro AI as an integration point, then you could use that as the author of your workflow. Charlotte Falcon identified and quarantined malicious files at the endpoint with high confidence verdict. Automated response actions have been executed and validated. This detection is confirmed as true positive and has been fully contained without lateral movement or any data exfiltration. No further analysis or analyst action is required. Now, again, that's subject to whatever your security operations center approves. If there's a human, what some people are calling human in the loop factor, if you need a human to actually validate what's going on.